D6 in it. Practical demonstration. Practical demonstration of invention, you know. And my channel is like very I'm doing some of the things on my channel. Even though it's you said not for children. But I want the parents to share these one with the children. All the machinery, the mechanism, the D6, the caterpillar, the bulldozer, the tractors plowing land, the truck, the dumper trucks. Boys love these things, you know. And let them see the practical demonstration. Let them see how things operate, how it works. Let them unlock their potential, their minds, their young minds, you know. So they become inventors. They become mechanics. So they, when they play, I have a few children around, you know. And even doing like this, they would like want to come and help me. And some of the things I play with them is like, they are my version of Bob the Builder, you know. So we have career date, like career at work, career. I'm just making sure you guys see what's going on. And we have a bit of landscaping here. Now let's see what we do. Gardening care, weed gardening care, landscaping, property management, you know. So you manage your property today. If you have a property and you want it to be looked after, check us out. Weed gardening. Weeded. You don't know what I talk now. Nice tree, something